This is building a black tank cleaner.
Hi, this is Dale. Got this little gadget here that you can use on an RV or a travel trailer to help with your black tank. So here I've got a valve. Here's a 3/4 inch fitting with a garden hose adapter and some PVC pipe. Got this joint here because I just used a couple of scrap pieces of pipe. And then on the end here's a cap. What you might not be able to see is I've got 9 1/8 inch holes cut around here, and here, over here and around here, and some on the end. So I can turn it on, so you can rotate this around inside the tank to help clean inside the tank. Okay, here's the toilet, and you take and insert this thing down and be able to rotate it into the black tank. Right now the RV is in storage, so I don't have a water supply, but this is what you can do.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe as I add more ideas.